In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload Robinhood to TurboTax. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to turbotax.com and then log into your account. From here it should look something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu and go over to where it says Documents. Once you're inside of the Documents tab, it should look something like this where you can see View Documents for the specific year right here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Link Accounts. And once you're inside of here, you'll need to click Add an Account right there. Now from here, you'll see a bunch of different apps that you can connect using your TurboTax account. But from here, you'll simply need to go up to the search and click on Robinhood, like so. Then you can see there's two options right here. There's either the Robinhood Markets and Digital Assets, which are the stocks and ETFs, or Robinhood Retirement, which will be your retirement account. Both of these will be the exact same way to do it, but let's just choose the normal digital assets right here. Now from here you'll need to find your Robinhood Act, which will be on the top page of your tax forms inside of the Robinhood app, and lastly the document, which will also be on the top of the tax form. Once from here, you can just click Get My Form, and then you'll be able to get your form directly from Robinhood into your TurboTax account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!